The Hamptons kitchen has a butler's pantry. Now, they've kind of become ubiquitous, that everybody thinks that a butler's pantry is a be-all and end-all. It's not necessarily the case. It's great to have a butler's pantry if you have enough space, because it gives you a secondary cleaning and a secondary storage option in terms of having another area in your kitchen that you can just clear dishes, also have a pantry that sort of lets everything out on display but also allows it to be hidden from sight. So it's a fantastic inclusion, but it's not a mandatory. The most important thing is to make sure that your main kitchen and the 5 or 3 zones that you have in your main kitchen function properly and independently of the butler's pantry, and then treat the butler's pantry as its own independent zone. So the best use of a butler's pantry is as a cleaning zone. So putting in another bin, another sink, another dishwasher is a great idea. It's also a great non-consumable zone. So somewhere else that you can store all the things that you cook with and clean with, and it's a great consumable zone. So it's a fantastic place for a pantry, even another refrigerator.